Ever dream of playing with otters? Or feeding baby kangaroos? Capybaras? Camels and more? You have to go to Animal Edventures Park and Safari in Boynton Beach, Florida. I took my wife for the VIP tour for her birthday and it was awesome. Check it out.
No, be nice. Be nice. Oh, baby. Wait.
Hey, buddy.
Oh, kisses. No, you use your hand.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Drinking milk. My wife is having a blast feeding all the goats. The oldest animal on the park? 37. Oh.
So zebras, horses, and donkeys can all have babies together, which is really cool. I didn't think donkeys could. Pretty cool. Mules. Yes, which is really cool.
It is what every single sloth does on poop day. It is literally a very unique signature poop dance. We're gonna get low, get low, get low, get low, get your
Beautiful. Hey guys.
So I give you guys some lettuce. You can take like a small handful. And
Hey, baby. Oh, be nice, Monica.
I don't think they are the most friendliest rodent, but I do think that they should be called like the most chill rodent. I think that's a little bit more how I would describe them. Since they've got some pretty bad digestive systems, and they do eat a super high fiber diet. Hello, lady. Hello. So what's gonna happen is they will basically have to digest everything twice. So they're fox puppies, which are literally the sweetest things in nature. So the two that came to the fur from us, came to us from the fur factory.
We're about ready for the highlight of the trip. The otter encounter. They made us just empty our pockets, necklaces, bracelets, watches, hats. So I guess the otters are kind of rough. We'll see.
Why you? Come to me.
Oh my goodness.
Why you? Number one, everything these guys are doing in here is all voluntary. There's nothing that I can force these guys to do in here. But as you can tell, I do have several toys. I also... you know exactly which one. Oh yeah. You can bring the whole thing. That's actually Lila hanging out under here. Lila? Yeah. Hi, Lila.
Oh my god.
Hey. Oh. They're doing Otter WrestleMania right now. Hi, Steve. And they're a lot stronger. And if he ends up playing with that, just pass it along. Hi, baby. They got like ADHD. On average, they're only going to spend roughly No, not my shoe. Yeah, when we got him, it was actually pretty scary. He came to us with a huge hole in his heart. Our vet didn't think he was going to survive literally past like the hour of us having him, which was pretty scary to hear. They're undercoat, so otters are double coated. So when they're in the water, they aren't even technically wet. Oh, astronaut.
Give me a chance to pet. Oh, I got your shoelace.
Uh-oh. Shoelaces together. That's what I'm waiting for.
This is your chance.
Oh, no. Oh. So it actually varies. Yeah, so they get, in the morning, they're actually going to get around 2 standing on the bottom.
Otter whisperer over here. Hey girl.
Happy birthday!
Yeah.
Thank you. Bless.
What is buddy?
Scratching, he likes to scratch it. Oh, like the little hands. Do happy feet. Oh, she's like, okay, I'm getting embarrassed. No. Hi.
Wow.
Oh, hi.
All right.
So cool.
So this is Lola over here, and this is Albert. Now you guys are gonna get the opportunity to feed my friends over here. So I'm gonna give you guys a couple of little snacks for them. We're actually gonna take a moment, and then when you guys can start feeding Albert. In fact, about these guys, I absolutely love our porcupines. They are so awesome. Now the most common question I get out here when we're hanging out with our porcupines is pretty obvious. Are we safe over here? She does have over 30,000 quills all across her body, which is really cool. So if she feels like she's in danger, she's actually going to have complete control of that skin. She's going to flare all of her quills outwards, almost like when you open an umbrella with that little baby. He always looks so confused at all times. But these guys are really awesome. Some of my favorite things about these guys, though, is that they're actually some of the world's best pollinators. It's pretty cool. So a lot of people don't know this, but they're actually up there with the bees as pollination goes. I know. This is Melody over here, his lovely wife. Now, if you guys take a look at this lovely lady over there, the all white one, not the one with the stripe, that is Mars's ex-wife. So
Oh,
amazing.
my heart.
It's so, I've never seen anything so small. So cool. That's your baby.
Did you guys name the baby?
Yes. I think his name is Artemis or something. Or it's some like,
Oh, he's like, I don't even know what to do yet. I don't know how to do it. There we go.
he's so good. They're prehensile, just like
They're
bigger.
so big. Cool.
I know, I'm sorry. I apologize.
Hi, Bee.
No, it's okay.
No, let me give the bee. Let me give the bee.
Hey, buddy.
You're feeding that to Bee right now. Bee's my favorite. What's inside of a camel's hump? That is a great question. It is actually going to be fat. A lot of people think it's water, but they're going to have about 80 to 82 pounds of fat in that hump, which is really cool. Now what they're actually, don't be funny.
Oh, yeah.
So it is huge, yeah, just like that. You show it over there. You're usually the best to show everyone your lips. Can you see them?
wow.
Isn't that cool?
That's
So
cool.
it's refunded off of these tours. So for you guys deciding to spend your Saturday afternoon with us is really special to us and special to these guys as well. We always like to give one of Inner's big Animal Adventures a round of applause. We're here to work her so much. It's amazing.
Oh, he came running
We
over.
worked with that one for a long time. And then we
cute.
walk out with like a cow.
Stop. Don't cry, Bubba.
I forgot about this part.
Last stop. You want to play with kangaroos?
I am.
Feed a baby.
He's bouncing.
Hey, buddy. Oh, you really are soft.
Yeah.
Super
I don't know
soft.
what. They're blind and deaf. They basically have no arms and legs.
Nice.
Bigger they get.
Oh.
How about you? The baby go?
You look like the real mother. So sweet. So sweet.
Well, we have so many other animals that we know. Like,
What a nice time we had, huh?
no, you don't. You want to give them back to me?
We just had the awesomest tour, VIP tour, at Animal Adventure in Boynton Beach. And
It was amazing.
it was her birthday gift. It was a little surprise.
I love animals.
Well, it ended with you carrying a baby kangaroo.
Kangaroo named Coast.
We had the opportunity to encounter so many cool, unique animals.
Including otters.
Oh yeah,
That ripped my shoes.
like with a little bite, like they were.
No, like 2 bites. I got chunks taken out.
Yeah, they were a little crazy. I thought you were a little scared actually.
I didn't want them to bite me.
Yeah, but they were cute.
They were super
They were like
cute.
little clowns.
And like squiggly.
Our guide Brooklyn, she was
Amazing.
fantastic. And your birthday twin today.
Yep.
Definitely, you gotta book
Yes,
your
come.
VIP tour to come out here. All right. Cheers.
Bye.
Shoelaces together. That's what I'm waiting for.
This is
Oh, no. Oh.
You guys